What's up, guys? It's Chris with Murphy Firearms Training. Got the 4570 BFR out today. Got a Bushnell Trophy red dot on this thing, and we're going to be shooting this. Is a new company. They changed names, so this ammo's been around for a while, but it's Excalibur ammo. It is a 300 grain jacketed hollow point, and it is chronoed at 2165 out of a 24-inch barrel. 2165. So if you know your 4570, you know that is some serious ammo. This is not trapdoor safe ammo. This is plus P. This is buffalo bore type ammo. So anyway, the company that makes it, I think they changed their name to Steinells now. It was Excalibur ammo when I bought this. I bought ammo from them when I bought my first 4570 and really liked it and bought a bunch of it. Have a bunch of it. And I will tell you, once heard Jeff Quinn talk about buffalo bore, and he said they don't cheat you out of any powder. Well, by golly, neither does Steinells or Excalibur or whatever they call themselves now. I'll have to look it up when I get home. But anyway, so I've got a target out at 25 yards. I'm going to take a couple of shots at it, just freehand, and then I'm going to set it for bench rest and put the camera on my swinger. I've got an 8-inch swinger at 100 yards, and I'm going to hit this swinger at 100 yards with a revolver. So anyway, we'll bench rest it for that. This thing's monstrously heavy, and it hurts my knuckle. That's why I'm wearing the gloves. So anyway, it does help if I turn on the red dot, doesn't it? You know, when you have a red dot, you can't aim without it. So here we go, freehand. Let your body rock back, let your arms come back, but don't let it part your hair. I do like wearing a hat when I shoot a Magnum revolver, because when you get to your limit, you'll feel it brush your hat bill. And if you feel something brush your hat bill, stop. And I've shot this gun before. It's a balancing act between letting it recoil and keeping it down. If you just hold it too loose, it's going to hit you in the face. But if you hold it too tight, it's going to actually hurt you. So it is a balancing act shooting a gun this big. So anyway, thing you got to remember when you're shooting this monstrosity is not to yank the trigger and shoot under your target. You really have to focus on your fundamentals. Squeeze the trigger. So let's take one more at this. Here we go. Anyway, whew. Oh, I'm going to reset the camera. That, boy, that gets your blood moving. I've got my on my rifle range, and we're going to zoom, if it'll zoom that far. Let's see if it'll zoom that far, and you can see it. There's a swinger down there. It's got a wooden frame around it, so it's kind of, if you're looking right now, it's the middle target. The middle target. And I am going to shoot that middle target. And you can see there's a big bank behind that target, so it's going to catch that bullet. So we're on our target. If I've been counting right, I think I have 2 rounds left. I hope I have 2 rounds left. I'm going to set up bench rest. You saw my block earlier. I'm going to set my block up. I'm going to get on target here and see if I can't bench rest and hit this thing from 100 yards. So hopefully you guys are cheering for me at home. I want to see if I can do it or not. So here we go. Woo! I believe I hit it. One more. Let's do one more. Let's do one more. Keep the muzzle down and squeeze the trigger. Woo! Okay. That's all right. that is about all the fun I want for the day. So this thing, just to give you an idea, comparing it to my hand from pinky to thumb, what's called a span, is 9 inches. And so if you take, that's 9 just for the frame, and then the barrel's almost another 9. I mean, it's about 18 inches long. With the scope on it, it probably weighs 5 pounds. It is a monster of a gun. And with full house 4570s in it, it is brutal. It eats up my, see if you can see it here. It eats up my trigger finger. No matter how much I squeeze the trigger, the trigger guard gets me. It's a little red, not too bad, but a little red. And it hits this knuckle. It hits this knuckle here. That's why I wear the shooting gloves. And the gloves do help with the grip a little bit. They cushion your palm a little bit. It is a monster. And shooting, you know, there's no muzzle brake, there's no barrel ports, and so all that is coming back to your hand. There's nothing helping you redirect this gas. So anyway, but that's 5 shots, and that's really all I want to do, because that hurts the finger a little bit. So anyway, I thought you guys would enjoy seeing the Magnum Research BFR and shooting a target out at 100 yards. And, you know, if you have any questions about it, let me know in the comments. And appreciate it, guys. Please like and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see. If you want to destroy something with this, we can do it. And at some point, I am going to have a video of this gun compared to the 1895, shooting the same ammo, just to see what the difference in penetration is from this versus the rifle. So anyway, you guys will see that coming up this summer. And thanks for your support, guys. Let me know if you need to see something.